Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my thick and creamy low-carb cheddar and broccoli soup. With just over 4 net carbs per serving, it'll warm the coldest of days while keeping your carb count low. It truly is a delicious meal. Let's get started. Begin with cutting your broccoli into bite-sized pieces. I like using just the tops for this recipe. We'll need about 1.5 cups. Grate 1/4 of 1 medium onion and set aside. To a stock pot on medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Add our grated onion and cook for about a minute or two. Add 1/4 cup of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Stir and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add 2 cups of chicken stock, 2 cups of heavy cream, and a little sour cream. Add some salt, ground black pepper, and finish with a touch of ground nutmeg. Mix with a whisk to combine and let cook until it begins to simmer. Reduce the heat to medium and add the broccoli. Let cook until the broccoli reaches the texture you desire. Add 1/4 cup of bacon pieces and give a stir to mix. Now finish with 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Whisk until all the cheese has melted. You'll see it change to a nice golden color. Pour into a bowl, garnish with some cheese and a little bacon, and enjoy. There you have it, folks, my thick and creamy low-carb cheddar and broccoli soup. A delicious low-carb meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.